Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we're going to make some fantastic dried apple slices. Totally healthy, stick them in your kids' lunchbox, and we're also going to make some that are particularly unhealthy, so stick with me for that one. So wash the apples, we've got a bowl full of cold water there. I'm just squeezing some lemon juice in, and I'm starting coring my apples. I'm going to use my mandolin to slice them so they're nice and even. More even than I could get it doing it by hand. Just doing a few test slices to get the width correct. And in the end, I went with setting number 3. Perfect. And we'll pop those into the lemon water, and that will stop them browning. Because as soon as that flesh hits the air, it starts going brown. So put them in one by one, make sure they get covered and soaked into that lemon water. We just carry on. And then in the end, I wanted to do some that were a little bit thicker, so I hand cut a few. And they were okay. I wouldn't necessarily do them again. So to dry these out, you can use your oven, but I don't want the oven to be taken up for as long as this took. And this took, from start to finish, about 7 hours to get these dried out. So we're going to use the dehydrator. And we'll have a look at the settings on that in a moment. But on the bottom layer, we're putting all the thick pieces. So we're going to dry them off. And then all the thick ones that I hand cut will go on the bottom. Keep popping the trays on. Now, to skin or not to skin, that's totally up to you. I really like the colour, so I keep the skins on. Got a lot of nutrition in the skin, so we'll keep the skins on. You can chop them off if you want. Doesn't really matter. Just keep loading the trays up. There they are, ready to go. Second to last tray, we're going to do slightly different. We're going to dry them off, and then I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon on top. And then the very last tray, I'll put some sugar on top as well, so they are totally unhealthy. Dare I say, it smells a little bit like Christmas. So the lid's on, turn the dehydrator on, and it comes on straight away. Set at 70 degrees C. It's on for 12 hours, although we won't use it for 12 hours. So this is about 2.5 hours in. Just give them a little check, and you can see they're starting to crinkle. They are starting to dry out a bit. Not quite ready yet, though. And there's the cinnamon ones. They're nowhere near done yet. You know when they're done because they crack when you twist them, and they have quite a distinctive noise when you rub them. And these are just going to end up in my jar for keeps. And you can tell when they're not done because they still feel a bit moist to the touch almost a bit damp. What I would say is don't dehydrate the life out of them though. You can overdo it. So after about 4 hours, the first ones were being done. And as they were done, I removed trays and consolidated the trays. And at that point, you need to keep watching it every half an hour, really. And here they are, the finished items. They look fantastic. They taste fantastic. They're going to store fantastic, and the kids are going to love those in their lunchbox. Let me know if you tried it before. Let me know if you've ever dehydrated anything else. YouTube now in its wisdom are going to recommend another video to you that I'm sure you'll enjoy. But until the next time, I'll see you again. Cheers.